Hi guys, do you know that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home by learning high income skills? Yes, so do you know that there are some skills that generate a lot of income? Yes, so guys, do you know you can become an app developer? I'm sure you don't need me to tell you how lucrative app development can actually be. See, it is not a hidden fact that there's a lot of money to be made in the app development. Where do you start? Just go for the training. People that know you don't have two heads, and if it's something that you've always been interested in, see, it's a no-brainer that you have to learn to code to build apps. Before we start, let's get to see how many apps are there on the internet at present. There are a lot. But you know what? You cannot be intimidated by these numbers. Yeah, so because there are chances that majority of them won't even be in your industry. And to be honest, many of them turns out to be complete duds. Come to think of it, the fact that so many apps swarm the market means that there is a huge demand for them. Yes, so the future for app development is really, really great. Now, here is the question. How will you as an individual make money online through app development? Oh yeah, let's go through these scenarios. You have an idea for an app. Let's assume that you have a great idea and now you want to build an app based on that. So guys, in this case, you should know how you're going to cash in on your app and not expect to make so much money in your first year. Going ahead to charge your audience to download an app is not a very good idea. If you face it, nobody pays to download an app the first time. This is why, all the time, this is why most of the apps that you see, they are free of charge. Yeah, there's a difference between the number of free apps that are juxtaposed to paid apps that are eye-opening. But guys, you can earn money from your own app. As I've mentioned, this is one of the most profitable prospects when it comes down to app development. Free apps make a lot of money, and here are ways to monetize your app. Use advertising, yes, as your revenue model. Yes, you can also offer subscriptions within the app. Use your app to sell merchandise like t-shirts, mugs. Introduce in-app purchases and microtransactions. I'm telling you, see, these are only a few ways that you can use to monetize your app. Then skim down the web pages and research some more. You're going to find more options to make money using your app. And if you want to work as a freelance mobile app developer, becoming a freelance mobile app developer will help you make steady money, especially when you're good at what you do. Do you know that small and medium-sized businesses and startups are increasingly turning to outsource their app development? Yes, so today, this is an excellent idea. It's something that will pay you. So in this case, you need to start pitching to your client through countless platforms on the internet. You can go on flexjobs.com. Yes, if you know how to build apps, go on flexjobs.com, go to upwork.com, go to freelancer.com, go to elance.com, go to toptile.com, go to Altab, go to Xteam, and go to Crew. Make sure that you network extensively at events and conferences to meet your potential clients and to also expand your network. Do you know that you can also make money on YouTube? Hey guys, there is money to be made on YouTube. You can monetize your YouTube channel. You can also direct your viewers to your already monetized website. Here is the hard part. How do you get viral views on YouTube? Is there a secret to getting instant fame? Guys, virality is something that is difficult to predict. Now, the focus should be making consistent quality videos and the rest will follow. See, making quality videos is not, almost not enough, especially now that there's a lot of competition on YouTube. So according to statistics, 400 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every minute, and that is crazy competition. But on a positive note, the number of YouTube stars that are earning six figures has increased by 50% every year. Yes, so you can earn six figures on YouTube. So in the end, all of the efforts that you put in will be worth it. Now, another way to make money is by starting a membership site. So let's assume that you now have built your YouTube channel to a point. You can now have, like I have a Patreon community. Yes, you can also join my Patreon membership. Yes, when you join, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. Guys, every once in a while, you can even get invited to speak at an event and sit on a panel. See, it might be time to start that membership website. Yes, membership websites are a valuable exchange. For those of you that are not aware or familiar with membership websites, they are private websites with exclusive content where only the members who opt for a paid subscription can access the content. As long as you continue to provide valuable information to your audience, they'll be happy to pay for your monthly subscription. And you know what? So you can provide valuable resource, content for your audience to keep paying that monthly subscription. After all, you only have to keep your own side of the bargain. Otherwise, your subscribers will leave you. So go ahead and deliver value to your members. I mean, you can use content like online courses, live webinars, informative guides, ebooks, community forum, and then you can offer cheat sheets, yes, workbooks and action plans. And what makes starting your membership site so lucrative? Recurring income. Yes, it gives you recurring income, I'm telling you. So guys, if your content is valuable enough, members will continue to pay to access and retain it over and over and over again. So basically, you are getting monthly income for the content that you created just once. I mean, think of it this way: you spend 2 hours with the client pays you once, you both move on, and that's about it. Here is another scenario: you spend 2 hours creating something valuable for your membership or website. Now you continue to get paid for that content for months, end on end, for months on end. And after a while, you spend more time to update the content, and of course, you still get paid for it. And you can build a loyal customer base. Do you know that launching your membership site can also boost your authority in the industry and position you as an expert? And it allows you grow your following. I mean, come to think of it, with your membership website, you are killing 2 birds with a single stone. On the other hand, you are getting paid, perennially for the contents that you put out once. And you are building your authority at the same time. And you know that many people would love to be in your boots. Lots and lots of them, in fact, countless of them. However, if you've always loved the idea of building a membership site in pursuit of a passive income, then you have to stop thinking of the monetary benefits. So work on building an audience first. Choose a topic, a subject matter that you have knowledge of, and something that is most likely going to sell. And I'll suggest, instead of thinking of a broader domain, think of something, more niched down. For instance, don't think of creating a membership site about social media marketing. Instead, you can try saying, I will teach health and wellness consultants how to leverage social media marketing. I mean, the more you narrow down your subject matter, the easier it will be for you to choose a more loyal base. Guys, in my next video, I'm going to be sharing some secrets that I don't want to mention the industry, but these are secrets that best kept secrets that I'll be sharing with you in my next video. So make sure that you watch out for that video, because I will not be sparing anything. I'm gonna be spilling all the tea. Yes, so if you want to make more money, if you want to learn how to make more money, how to cash out on the streets of the internet, just make sure that you turn on the notification bell for this channel. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you. If I've not introduced myself yet, let me introduce myself. My name is Mary. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, mom, student, entrepreneur, fashion designer, YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize it from the very first day. So guys, there you have it. Making money online is easier than you think. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So that is it for today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And that is it, guys. Hopefully I will see you in my next video. And yeah, in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am super proud of you. Take care, guys. God bless you. Bye for now. Love you guys.
Mariam Adepaju.